Akwaba, welcome to Dianes's channel. Today guys, we are traveling to look at land. So come along as we explore. Royal Kingdom Estate. They are the developers for where I'm presently at. Location, Peduase. Peduase is a town and it's en route to Aburi. The land is at a town called Brekusu. And Royal Kingdom Estate has 49 acres, but 20 acres have already been gone, and that I'm told is for commercial use. So we have 20 acres available for residential. I have with me Royal Kingdom Estate site manager at Brekusu, and I'm gonna have him tell us a little bit more about this land, and I'll ask the questions. So, answer.
Hello, Mom.
Welcome to Dianes's channel.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
and just let us get straight into this. So this here answer, you told me right here, all of this that I'm seeing is available.
Yes, please.
Right?
Yes, please.
All of this. I'm just going to show them as much as I can right here before I have you talk us through. Okay. So this is what is available, right? One plot, you say, answer, is a quarter acre.
Yes.
Right? So over to you.
One plot is a quarter acre. The measurement of one plot is 70 by 100. The price of it is 15,000 USD. $15,000 a plot.
$15,000
a plot.
US dollars
Yes.
per plot.
Yes.
Okay, answer. I notice we have some fencing along here. And this, you have already said to me that this is 4 acres.
4 acres.
And it's owned. It's already been sold rather.
Yes.
So let's move, trekking straight through. Let's get a bit closer. So they have literally, the owners have fenced all the way around. What do we have over here? What do we have over here, answer? This is the 29 acres.
Yes.
That you say have already been sold.
It have already been sold.
For commercial.
Yes.
Let us take a stroll through here. So answer, I noticed when we were coming in, obviously guys, I will say the journey from Accra to Peduase, 45 minutes. The traffic was not bad at all. Once we got to Peduase, it took us another 15 minutes to get to Brekusu. Road works need to be done. Explain that, because it was a bit rocky coming up.
It's ongoing. That's the main road from the Peduase to Domi St. John's. The road construction is ongoing. So we could have used the other side, but because of we haven't been done with the main road, then we decided to use our layout on the side. That's where I am standing now. It's the layout to the main road. So when you want to come with your materials, this is the route that you have to use to the side.
So this entire mass right here, answer 29 acres.
29 acres.
Commercial.
Yes, commercial.
So commercial and residential on this property will be close by.
Real close. We don't want our clients to suffer when they are in need of something to buy. Now we have to travel from here to Accra Mall or Medina before you'll be able to buy something. So my boss decided to give here as a commercial supermarket, pharmacy, and all that as you normally know. So here have been sold for some group of people who came down from US. Then beside that, the whole city is going to be gated community.
Excellent. Stop right there, answer. You just said that a group from the United States of America, they purchased the 20 acres for the commercial. They purchased the entire commercial side.
Yes.
And and some of the businesses that will be on there, your supermarkets, your pharmacy. And that's an excellent point you raised. The whole idea is not for you having to go to Accra or wherever. You will be able to purchase things close by.
Yes.
And it's going to be gated.
Yes.
Ah.
Gated community. We'll fence the whole thing, security-wise, CCTV camera, dogs around, so that we want our customers to be well secured with the security-wise. So that's why we decide to fence. And we are not a company or a developer that will say we want to sell the land and leave you people. We are going to live here with you people as well as, yes.
So it's a community in a community.
In a community.
What do we have down there?
It's a road.
Ah, so here where we are walking through will be road.
Road.
Oh. And so I'm noticing some more fencing over that end. So that's owners are over that side. Let me go down and capture this better. Guys, just view where will be the commercial area. And so, that fencing, that's not part of the development here?
Right, this one.
Yeah, the one.
It's part of the development. The 4 acres that has been fenced.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, so all of that is 4 acres going?
4 acres good.
Ah, that's big.
Yes. That's 16 plots.
Repeat that again.
That's 16 plots.
16 plots.
Yes. That's the 4 acres.
Oh, that's who?
Yes. 4 for 16.
Yes, yes.
So-
16 plots. Oh, so that it started from where I first captured it and going all the way around. Okay. So that's for a group of persons,
Yes.
a family,
Family.
or possibly. Yes. Nice, we should say. Yes. So answer the road here. That the road goes all the way.
This junction, this one goes all the way, all rubber to hit the main one. The main one. So as you can see, this pillar, this one of some of our demarcation pillars.
Sorry, slow down there and answer. What did you just say?
This some of our demarcation pillars.
Yes, demarcation pillars.
Pillars.
Yes.
This one. And there's the main road in the side.
Ah.
Yes. So, assume you are driving to the supermarket. This, the big of the road, the big side of the road, 40 feet road that you drive on it very safely to what has to supermarket, pharmacy, or restaurant.
This is part of your development over there too?
On the top of the hill?
What I'm looking at right here.
No.
Oh, okay. So we end right here. You end right here. Okay. Where are you taking me to?
That's a junction.
A junction.
This is a road to the main road.
Okay.
To the main road.
So you're saying that you'll be able to traverse all the way?
Yeah. To the main road of Ashase, just opposite of Ashase University.
So you'll be able to enter
Yes.
from that end also
From that
into
end
Brekusu.
also.
Can we walk back through here to
Yes.
go to where we are coming from? Okay, guys, so let's take it this route. And so I'm going to be capturing the view because there is a lovely view to my left. Can we go down here? Okay, I'm right behind you. I'm going to capture. I'm capturing the view. Right behind you. And so let me see if I can capture as much as this view. Guys, there is a nice view. What is the view of? What am I seeing? What area is that we're seeing?
That area is called Shalom.
Shalom?
Shalom.
Shalom. Okay.
Kwejo Krom.
That's another town?
Another town. Okay. And then Katapo.
Not bad, guys.
That also is Insachi, where this man lives. Yeah, Insachi on the down.
Guys, the view here is not bad at all. And this again is Brekusu. 20 acres of land is all that's left. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm heading to Royal Kingdom Estate offices, where I'll get more details on this development. And sir,
Mom,
thank you,
welcome.
site manager, for this project. It's been a pleasure. We now head back into the city. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you. Medase.
It's a medicine.
Medase pa. God bless.